இது நம்ம ஐயா கோச்சிங் சென்டர். வாங்க படிக்கலாம்.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.
Today's class we will see cytoplasmic inheritance. What is meant by cytoplasmic inheritance? Usually, which is the genetic material? DNA is the genetic material that carries the characters from one generation to another generation. And DNA is also known as universal genetic material. Universal genetic material. Usually, the genes are located in which chromosome? Nuclear chromosomes. And this follows the Mendelian inheritance. But some of the characters are governed by or ruled by either chloroplast. Some of the characters are governed by either chloroplast or mitochondria. Mitochondria. Chloroplast or mitochondrial genes. So this phenomenon is known as extranuclear inheritance. What is meant by extranuclear inheritance? Certain characters are governed or ruled by chloroplast or mitochondrial genes, and those genes are called as extranuclear inheritance. This is a kind of non-Mendelian inheritance. This is a kind of non-Mendelian inheritance. Non-Mendelian inheritance. Since it involves cytoplasm, these are what organelles? Chloroplast and mitochondria are found where? It is found in cytoplasm. Since it involves cytoplasmic organelles, then it also called as cytoplasmic inheritance. It is also called as cytoplasmic inheritance. Now you can understand, I think so, what is meant by cytoplasmic inheritance. Because cytoplasmic organelles such as chloroplast and mitochondria, which act as an inheriting material, it is also called as what? Cytoplasmic inheritance. Then this cytoplasmic inheritance is based on independent, self-replicating extra chromosomal unit called plasmogen. Extra chromosomal unit called plasmogen. And this plasmogen is located in where? Cytoplasmic organelles like chloroplast and mitochondria. You can see chloroplast inheritance. Chloroplast and mitochondria are semi-autonomous organelles. Semi-autonomous organelle. They possess their own genetic material, that is, their DNA is found in mitochondria as well as in chloroplast. Example for chloroplast inheritance is Mirabilis jalapa, that is a common name is 4 o'clock plant. These plants possess 3 types of branches. One is green, pale, another one, then variegated. The green branches, the leaves possess chloroplast and the pale leucoplast. In variegated leaves, both leucoplast and chloroplast are found. Just see here, I can take an example. Suppose the green branches, the female gamete, the green branches which produces the female gamete is crossed with the male gamete from pale branches. All the F1 generations are green. Let us see how. See, which is green in color? The female branches green in color, and the male and the pale branch which produce the male gamete. The reason is the female gamete contribute cytoplasm. In that cytoplasm, the plastids are found. But the male gamete contribute only nucleus, not cytoplasm. Since the cytoplasm carries the plastids, that is the chloroplast, that is inherited to the F1 progeny. So all the F1 progeny are what in color? Green in color. To simplify this, we can draw a circle. Can divide into 3. See, this is pale branch, then this is green, and this is variegated. And next, another one. This is female gamete, and this circle is male gamete. Another circle you can draw, that is the progeny. This is the progeny. Now this is the female gamete. The female gamete, that is the pale, then variegated and green. Now first let us take pale. Now 3 types of male gamete fertilizes this. One is from male gamete from pale, male gamete from green, and male gamete from variegated. See, remember the second circle is male gamete. When these male gametes are crossed with this pale female gamete, then what is the color of the branches? The color of the branches is only pale. Same here also, you can take the male gamete, that is same pale, green, variegated. These are the male gametes and this is the female gamete. Then the progeny is variegated. Then here same pale, green, variegated. The progeny is what? Green. And this shows that the female gamete only transfers the color or the plastids only through female gamete, not through the male gamete. That means the male gamete contribute only, what is it, nucleus, not cytoplasm, but the female gamete contribute cytoplasm through from the cytoplasmic organelle transmit this character. Thank you.